Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get Japanese letters in your Roblox display name. Let's get started. What we need to do is log into our Roblox account, then click on the gear icon in the top right and go to Settings. Some people might tell you that you need to change your account location, but that's not actually true. If you want to change your display name and add Japanese letters, here's how it works. Go to Google and search for a Japanese smiley face or any Japanese letter that you want to use. You can use Google Translate for this. Simply highlight the Japanese letter, right-click, and select Copy. After copying the letter, go back to Roblox, and in the Display Name section, click on the pencil icon. It's important to know that you can't mix English letters with Japanese letters in your display name. For example, using your English name along with Japanese characters will result in an error saying it contains unsupported characters. However, if you use only Japanese characters, like adding a Japanese letter here, you'll be able to change your display name successfully. As mentioned, you can't mix Japanese characters with other letters. It has to be either entirely Japanese or entirely English. To proceed, simply change or add your Japanese letters. Then click Save. You'll now have Japanese letters in your display name. That's how you can set a Japanese display name in Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.